Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to delete Facebook video watch history. Firstly, open the Facebook app or website and log into your account. Tap the hamburger icon at the top of the corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy from the menu options. Tap Settings in the sub-menu that appears. In the Settings menu, locate the Your Information section. Tap on Activity Log to access your activity history. Inside the activity log, tap the header to find the different activity categories. Select Videos Watched to view your Facebook watch history. Tap the Clear Video Watch History button located in the middle of the page. A confirmation dialog will pop up. Tap Clear to confirm and permanently delete your watch history. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.